Wait, you can build a Quonset Barndominium with a basement? Yes, and I'm about to show you how mind-blowingly incredible these homes look. Imagine that iconic curved steel roof everyone loves. But underneath, you got a full basement for storage, storm protection, or even extra living space. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Quonset Barndominiums with basements. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this combination is pure genius. Stick around because I'm revealing the real costs, the engineering secrets, and showing you actual examples that will blow your mind. But first, if you love unique home designs and alternative housing solutions, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss content like this. Drop a comment below telling me, would you add a basement to your Quonset Barndominium? Let's dive in. What is a Quonset Barndominium with basement? Let's start with the basics. A Quonset Barndominium is a home built using the distinctive curved steel arch design, originally created for the U.S. military back in 1941. These semi-cylindrical structures have become incredibly popular for residential construction because they're affordable, durable, and offer completely open interior space with no load-bearing walls. Now, traditionally, most Quonset Barndominiums are built on simple concrete slab foundations. It's cheaper, faster, and works perfectly for the design. But here's where it gets interesting. You absolutely can build a Quonset Barndominium over a full basement foundation, and when done right, it's an incredibly smart design choice. The process involves excavating the ground, pouring concrete basement walls and floors, and then anchoring the Quonset steel frame to brackets mounted on top of the basement foundation walls. Instead of the metal posts being secured directly to a slab, they're attached to the basement perimeter, creating a completely functional basement level underneath your curved steel home. Why add a basement to a Quonset Barndominium? The benefits of combining these two concepts are genuinely impressive. First, you get massive additional space. A full basement essentially doubles your square footage. If you build a 2,400 square foot Quonset on the main level, you get another 2,400 square feet below ground. That's room for storage, workshops, home gyms, entertainment spaces, or even additional bedrooms. Storm protection is huge, especially in tornado-prone areas. That concrete basement provides exceptional shelter from severe weather. When storms approach, you've got a safe underground space while still enjoying the durability of the steel Quonset structure above. The temperature advantage is real. Basements stay naturally cool in summer and can be easier to heat in winter because they're insulated by the earth. In hot climates, having a basement level provides relief from brutal summer heat without running air conditioning constantly. Property value increases significantly. Adding a well-constructed basement to a barndominium typically increases property value by 15 to 25%. You're offering buyers something incredibly unique that combines the affordability of Quonset construction with the functionality of a full basement. The cool factor cannot be ignored. Walking into a home with that stunning curved ceiling on the main level, then going downstairs to discover a full basement underneath, that's architectural uniqueness that gets people talking. The engineering and construction reality. Let me be honest with you about the challenges because this isn't as simple as standard Quonset construction. Traditional Quonset buildings have their steel posts anchored directly into or onto a concrete foundation. With a basement, those posts need to be secured to brackets mounted on top of the basement walls. This requires proper structural engineering to ensure everything is safe and code compliant. Soil conditions and water table levels are critical. You need geotechnical assessments before breaking ground. Clay-rich soils with poor drainage can create problems. High water tables increase hydrostatic pressure and risk moisture infiltration. A structural engineer must evaluate whether your specific site can support a basement under a Quonset structure. Waterproofing and drainage are absolutely essential. Basements require professional waterproofing techniques, including exterior membranes, French drains, interior drainage systems, and comprehensive dehumidification. Without proper moisture management, you risk structural damage and mold growth. This is not optional. The construction timeline extends significantly. Pouring a concrete slab takes days. Excavating and building a full basement takes weeks. You'll add substantial time to your project, but the payoff and additional space is worth it for many builders. Local building codes must be followed precisely. Some areas have restrictions on basement construction, due to soil conditions or flood zones. Always check with your local building department and obtain proper permits before starting any basement excavation. The real costs, what you'll actually pay. Let's talk honest numbers, because this is where many people get shocked. I'm going to break down costs for a 40 by 60 Quonset Barndominium, which is 2,400 square feet, comparing slab foundation versus full basement foundation. With slab foundation, Quonset Kit package runs $31,000 to $48,000, and walls cost $8,000 to $12,000. Concrete slab foundation at 4 inches costs $14,400 to $24,000. Assembly costs $10,000 to $15,000. Shell total comes to $63,400 to $99,000. Interior finishing for 2,400 square feet at $100 to $150 per square foot adds $240,000 to $360,000. Total project cost runs $303,400 to $459,000. With full basement foundation, Quonset Kit package remains $31,000 to $48,000, and walls still $8,000 to $12,000. But basement foundation for 2,400 square feet at $35 to $50 per square foot costs $84,000 to $120,000. Assembly with basement brackets costs $12,000 to $18,000. Shell total jumps to $135,000 to $198,000. Main floor finishing for 2,400 square feet adds $240,000 to $360,000. Basic basement finishing at $40 to $75 per square foot for 2,400 square feet adds $96,000 to $180,000. Total project cost runs $471,000 to $738,000. The basement addition adds approximately $70,000 to $120,000 to your foundation costs alone, but you gain 2,400 additional square feet of space. When you calculate cost per square foot for the total of 4,800 square feet, you're looking at $98 to $154 per square foot, which is still competitive with traditional construction at $180 to $300 per square foot for similar total space. The average cost for adding a basement foundation is $35 to $50+ per square foot, compared to $6 to $14 per square foot for a concrete slab. That's the reality. But remember, you're essentially building 2 levels for significantly less than building 2 separate structures. Basement design options. You have 3 main basement options. A full basement spans the entire footprint of your Quonset Barndominium, maximizing space but also maximizing cost. A partial basement covers only a portion of the home's foundation, with the rest on a slab. This is more affordable and easier to integrate into the design. A walkout basement works perfectly on sloped terrain, with one side exposed to the outdoors, providing natural light and direct access. Most builders recommend partial basements for Quonset Barndominiums because they balance cost with functionality. You get the benefits of basement space without the extreme expense of a full basement, and construction is simpler because the perimeter posts can still be secured to the slab portion. What to put in your Quonset basement? The possibilities are genuinely exciting. Home workshops and hobby spaces work perfectly in basements, with concrete floors ideal for woodworking, mechanics, or crafts. Storage solutions for seasonal items, equipment, and belongings maximize your main floor living space. Entertainment areas like home theaters, game rooms, and bars create dedicated spaces for fun. Additional bedrooms and bathrooms can accommodate guests or growing families. Home gyms and fitness spaces benefit from the cool basement temperatures. Storm shelters provide critical safety during severe weather. Home offices offer quiet, separate workspace away from main living areas. The concrete walls and floors are perfect for heavy equipment, and the temperature stability makes basements ideal for wine cellars, workshops, or server rooms. Real example: Quonset Barndominium with basement. There's an incredible Quonset Barndominium plan featuring 2,490 square feet of main floor living space with a 2,149 square foot unfinished basement. The main level includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open concept living area with barrel vaulted ceilings reaching 18 feet 6 inches in the living room and 14 feet in the master bedroom. The basement provides massive storage and flex space ready for finishing. This design shows exactly what's possible when you combine Quonset architecture with basement construction. The curved steel arches create stunning interior spaces on the main level, while the basement provides practical functionality. It's the best of both worlds. The honest pros of this combination. Cost per square foot decreases when you factor in total space. You're building more livable area without the full cost of above-ground construction. Storm protection is unmatched, combining steel durability above with concrete shelter below. Temperature management is superior, with the basement naturally staying cooler. Property uniqueness makes these homes stand out in any market. Flexibility is incredible because you can finish the basement immediately or do it in phases as budget allows. Resale appeal is strong in rural markets where alternative housing is appreciated. The honest cons you need to know. Higher upfront costs are unavoidable. That basement foundation is expensive compared to a simple slab. Construction complexity increases significantly, requiring experienced contractors who understand both Quonset construction and basement foundations. Site restrictions apply because not all properties have suitable soil or water table conditions. Longer build times mean you'll wait longer to move in. Moisture management requires ongoing attention and proper systems. Financing can be more challenging because lenders may be unfamiliar with this combination. Resale in some markets may be limited if buyers don't appreciate alternative housing. Who should build this? This design is perfect for people in tornado-prone areas who need storm protection, homeowners wanting maximum space on a budget, those building on slope lots perfect for walkout basements, DIY enthusiasts willing to tackle phase construction, families needing extra space for multiple generations, and anyone who appreciates unique architectural design. This might not be for you if you're in an area with high water tables or poor soil drainage, on an extremely tight budget where the basement cost is prohibitive, in a market that doesn't appreciate alternative housing, or if you need the fastest possible construction timeline. Average total cost summary. For a 2,400 square foot Quonset Barndominium with full basement, adding another 2,400 square feet, expect total costs of $471,000 to $738,000 fully finished, which breaks down to $98 to $154 per square foot for 4,800 total square feet. Compare this to building two separate structures or a traditional two-story home with basement at $180 to $300 per square foot, and you're saving $50,000 to $350,000 while getting that incredible Quonset aesthetic. Can you build a Quonset Barndominium with a basement? Absolutely yes. Should you? That depends on your specific situation, budget, site conditions, and goals. But when done right, this combination creates one of the most unique, functional, and cost-effective homes available today. You get the affordability and durability of Quonset construction, the massive open interior spaces, the stunning curved architecture, plus all the benefits of a full basement for storage, protection, and additional living space. It's genuinely the best of both worlds. If you're seriously considering this, here are your next steps. First, have your property assessed by a structural engineer and geotechnical specialist. Second, check local building codes and zoning regulations. Third, get detailed quotes from contractors experienced with both Quonset buildings and basement construction. Fourth, create a realistic budget, including all costs. Fifth, consider starting with a partial basement to balance cost and functionality. So tell me in the comments, would you add a basement to your Quonset Barndominium? What would you put in that basement space? And if this video opened your eyes to what's possible with Quonset construction, smash that like button, subscribe for more alternative housing content, and share this with anyone dreaming of building their own unique home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.